Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Do I look like I'm going to cook? No, I don't, right? Because I'm not going to. Today, Mr. Cameraman is going to cook. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Switch?
Let's switch. So today, guess what we're gonna have? One of my favorites.
Our favorites.
Dan Dan mian.
Yeah, in Chinese, dan dan
Chinese,
mian.
dan dan mian.
Dan dan noodles.
And Dan Dan noodles. So, what do we need to make Dan Dan noodles? Of course, number one, noodles. These are fresh noodles, so this is gonna taste really good. They're gonna cook quick, but this is the best way to go. You can also make it with dry noodles, but this is the way. Some bok choy, just to put on top. It kind of makes it taste good. We'll slice those up. Green onions, garlic, chopped garlic. One of the big important things you need to have, yatsai. This is very important to make dan dan mian. It's a pickled vegetable, right?
Preserved.
A preserved vegetable.
Yeah, mustard green.
It's mustard green?
Yeah,
It's
From
essential
Sichuan.
to make this from Sichuan. Of course, we have ground pork. This is about how much?
2 ounces.
2? Oh, 2 to 3 ounces.
Right.
A little sugar. This is Sichuan peppercorn ground. You can either grind your own or you can buy it in the store, Asian store. They have it ground there. And this is hot oil,
Homemade.
homemade hot oil. This is really delicious. So let me first start to chop up some of the vegetables here. So first, I'm going to just slice these down the center to make them a little bit
Perfect.
easier to eat, and they'll also cook quick.
Yeah, you can use other leafy vegetables like pea tips,
Spinach.
spinach. Yep.
Okay, got those. The green onions, we'll just chop them. Okay, got those. Put them here. You kind of want to keep the white and green parts separate, but and then let's just chop up the garlic.
Did you say you can eat this every week or every day?
I could eat this every day. Noodles. I love noodles. I could eat
Especially
any
dan dan
kind of
noodles,
Dan
right?
dan noodles are so great. They're so savory, delicious,
Comforting.
comforting. Okay, they're all chopped up. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to make the sauce for each noodle ball. Okay, so for the sauce, let's start with soy sauce. This is light soy sauce, right?
Yep.
Take about a tablespoon. Teaspoon, sorry. Teaspoon. Teaspoon.
But adjust to your
You can
taste.
adjust it to your taste, of course. Depends on how you like it. That. And then,
I need a little bit of vinegar.
do you need a little bit of vinegar?
Yep.
Okay, I'll give
I know
you some
you don't
vinegar.
like-
I don't really like that much vinegar.
A little bit. Good.
Is that good?
Yep.
I'll take a little just for today. How's that?
Oh, good.
Be friends with you.
On the same page.
Okay, there. Good. Then we need hot oil.
Yep.
Yeah, let me have that. So the same thing with hot oil, you can put about a teaspoon of hot oil in, or to your taste, if you like it hot or not. And I like to get some of the chilies on the bottom, and there's actually peanuts in this one. It's really
Yeah, add the
delicious.
peanuts. You can add the sesame seeds.
Wait a minute, I need another peanut here. Okay, good.
Fun.
I got that. And then the Sichuan peppercorns, just how
Powder.
much you put about?
Yeah, it's up to your taste. Yeah.
Just put a little bit like that,
Yep.
a little bit like that, okay?
Good.
And then I like to add just a little bit of sugar to mine.
I will skip it.
You don't want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. Oh, I should add a little bit.
You want a little bit?
I want to
Okay.
be friends too. With you.
Okay,
Perfect.
eating friends.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're ready to cook. So I'm gonna cook the noodles, and we're gonna make the topping, and then we're gonna eat.
Can't wait.
Okay, so first let's heat up the pan. We're gonna make the topping now. And we're gonna add a little bit of oil. I like to add a little bit more oil to give a little more flavor,
Yeah.
right?
And you use avocado oil, right?
Yeah, you can use any kind of oil. This is
Vegetable oil.
avocado oil. Makes things taste
Yep.
really good. First thing we're going to do is we're going to brown our pork. Okay, so now the pork is broken up and it's browning nicely. I'm going to add the garlic and the white part of the green onion.
Wow, smells good.
Okay, and we're also going to put just a little bit of soy sauce, just to give it a little bit of flavor.
A touch, right?
Just a touch.
Because yatai it's already has
Yeah,
salt.
yatai it's a little
Salt.
salty, so.
Yeah.
Whoa, this smells really good. Okay, now let's put the yatai. I guess you need like about, what, 2 tablespoons?
One.
Is that enough?
1.5. Yeah, that's good.
I like
And
yatai. It's
depends
good.
on how much pork you have, right?
Yeah.
Now looks like a topping.
Okay, then we're going to put our green
A
onions.
little bit, yeah.
Just a little bit of green onions, kind of give a little flavor.
Yep. Okay. Topping's ready, right?
Just about ready.
Good job.
Thank you. Smells great.
Yeah. And alternatively, you can make it with chicken. We often right?
Sure.
Make it with chicken because we are chicken lovers.
Okay.
But traditionally, it's
Yeah.
made of pork.
Okay, topping's ready. Let's move on to making the noodles. Okay, so now the water's boiling, and we're going to boil the noodles. Again, these are fresh, so these cook pretty quick.
2 to 3 minutes, right?
Yeah, about 2 to 3 minutes.
Oh, to your own liking.
I like them a little bit
Al dente.
al dente.
Yeah. Me too.
Okay, so the noodles are boiling, and we're going to also add in the bok choy now so that it cooks. Okay, so we're going to add some cold water now to finish it up.
Yeah, the reason we add cold water, so this way the noodles not sticky, right?
Yep. Okay, so the noodles are done. Can you please put them in the bowl for me?
Sure.
I'm not that great with chopsticks to pull them out.
especially the big one, right?
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, I'm more
Thanks.
than happy to do that. Okay, let me take out noodles. Wow, they're long noodles. Good, right?
Good.
Some bok choy. This one.
Wow. That's a lot of noodles.
That's enough, right?
Yeah, it's good.
And bok choy.
So now
Now
we're
we-
going to put the topping on,
Yes.
right? Thank you.
Here we go. Good job on the topping. Wow. Is that enough for you?
Perfect. Wow, looks great. Smells incredible.
Might as well, right?
Yeah.
Split. More for Mr. Cameraman.
Good. Thank you.
And we just garnish with some fresh green onions.
Great.
Done, the noodles ready. Close up, please. Look at our noodles. Topping. It's great. Wow. Mix up. It smells so good. It takes you a few minutes to mix up. Right? Ready to eat?
Let's eat.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's go.
Wow. Long noodles.
Wow.
Good job.
Thank you.
Toppings, delicious. Mm.
Topping is great.
Crunchy bok choy. And of course, Mr. Cameraman, excuse me, made mild. You can add more hot oil. Wow, taste from my hometown, right? Sichuan.
Sorry, I can't talk. I'm eating.
Me neither. Good job.
Thank you.
Easy to make, right?
Yum.
Please rate Mr. Cameraman's cooking out of 5. I give you 6.
It's a 1.
No, good job. And I'm gonna list my recipe in the description box below. And also, if you're interested by preserved vegetable or fermented vegetable, 芽菜, I'm going to list the link in the description box too. What else? Did you guys ever make dandan noodles? Did you ever have dandan noodles? Yeah, such great taste with 芽菜. Very unique flavor. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and also let us know if you need more cooking from Mr. Cameraman, right? Yes.
Great.
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.
time.
Bye.